Hi everyone, it's Sarah B. Welcome to my little spot in the world. I am opening my second box from Fashom today. Fashom is a styling service. It is not a subscription box. You don't subscribe for every month or months in advance. You can at any time go on and say, yes, I would like a box. Here's exactly what I'm looking for, or here's around what I'm looking for, and your stylist will send you 7 pieces ahead of time. Well, we'll send you a note that says, look at your profile on the app or on your computer. There are 7 pieces. You get to choose 5 to be sent to you. I really like this system. I'm a sneaky Pete, and so I don't like surprises anyway. But it also gives you a chance to say, no, don't send me that cold shoulder top. I really won't wear it. But yes, I'm going to try these pants because I'm a little hesitant about them, but we'll see. And the last time I did that, it totally went out in my favor. So I know what's in this box. I just don't know how it's going to look on me and how it's going to fit. I'll put more information about Fashom in the description. Ugh, I need my scissors. And your first box is free. The styling fee is $15 after that. Yeah, $15, and we'll get credited towards whatever you decide to keep. I also really like about Fashom, if you buy 3 pieces, so it's a beautiful day here, so I have my windows open, but I live on a busy street. If you buy 3 pieces, you save 25%. If you buy more than 3 pieces, or if you buy all 5, you save 30%. So there's good discounts involved. Yes. Oh, I will also put a referral link in the description, which will give you $10 to put towards the things you want to buy from your first Fashom box. So check it out. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hello, beautiful. Thank you, Fashom. This is my invoice and how much everything costs, which I knew when picking everything. If I buy all 5 items, I get a 30% discount. So if I were to buy this entire box, it'd be $161 with a discount. Hello, Sarah. It was my pleasure styling you again. Oh, it's Rosie. Rosie did me last time, and she did wonderful. In our latest fashion pieces, the soft spring colors and details would suit your personal style well. Please note some styles run their sizes a bit differently than the mass market brand, so please try on every piece to see their fit. I hope these new pieces will be in your wardrobe many seasons to come. Hope this box has brightened up your day. Love, Rosie. So I had specifically asked for skirts, circle skirts, and dresses for summertime, and I wanted to challenge myself by wearing more prints because I really don't. They reached out and said, I'm sorry, we don't have anything like that right now. Is there anything else you're looking for? And gave an option to to try something different, so I wouldn't just been inherently disappointed that they didn't have what I was looking for, which I super appreciate that they communicated like that and helped me out. So thank you, Rosie, you're the best. All right, so here's my bag to send things back that I don't want. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Here's my bundle. And it's really heavy because, oh my gosh. There are 3 pairs of pants in here, I think, if I remember right. All right, so the first piece, I just broke a nail, you guys. Womp womp. All right, we'll take care of that later. This first piece, this is so not usually me, but that's why I wanted them to send it to me. It's not jersey. It's knit. It's a little bit see-through. So something you'd have to wear a cami under. Not that I'm opposed to that by any means. Alright, so that's piece number 1. Oh man. Piece number 2, make sure I can see everything, is way more my style in that it's blue. But stripy sleeves. And this is, has a spandexy feel? Like a bamboo, like jersey, really soft, but really super stretchy. It doesn't have a tag on it, but it has more information about what it's made out of. Must be in here. Rayon and spandex. Oh man, dry, clean, or hand wash. I didn't know that. Alright, try it on. We'll see. This is a pair of wide leg trouser pants, like dress pants for work, which I am always in need of. So couldn't hurt to try on a pair of those. This is definitely going out of my comfort zone, but a pair of skinny blue pants and like, I don't know, but that's why I got them to try on. And then, oh, it comes with a belt. That was the hard thing in there. And then the last thing is a pair of cut from the cloth jeans and a very light wash, distressed and pre-cuffed. I got a pair of cut from the cloth jeans from Stitch Fix, and I needed to keep them because they were the best pair of jeans, best fitting pair of jeans I tried on. So I was looking forward to trying these on. So let's do it. Let's get to it and see how this all washes out. So these are the plus wide leg by stretch trousers. They're $45. They fit nicely. They're thin, like breathable. They have like this nifty like belt feature, which is completely non-functional, but at least like it adds something if I ever dare to wear a shirt tucked in, which is not usually my jam. But I feel like they're a decent pair of pants for $45. And again, a closet staple. So, yay! Yay! Alright, let's try on something more daring next. Alright, so bad news. The blue pants, which I was really interested in and really wanted to work. The slim pants just did not fit. And Rosie had made a note about how some sizes run, differently, and I think she was trying to err on the side of caution, but erred the wrong way. So they don't fit. Sorry, they were $48. The cut from the cloth jeans, they're boyfriend jeans. They're $65, which I'm learning is not a bad price for a pair of jeans, so that's fun. And the emerald solid jersey raglan tunic top is $35. And it's a lovely tunic top. It's a tunic top. I'm a little bummed that it's hand wash only because, but that's alright. We have one more top to try on. And this lovely piece is the emerald multicolored striped tunic top. It is $37. I don't like this as much as the other one. I knew in trying this that this was going to be an experiment. That it's not something I would usually gravitate towards. So it just feels a little bit too tenty, whereas the other one didn't. and perhaps too much color for me. I was just trying to branch out into any color at all. Yeah, I just don't see myself like reaching for this. So I don't know. I think maybe not, but I'm glad that I tried, and that I think if I had opened my Fashom box and seen this, I would have instantly been like, oh no, versus having to like decide to choose to try it on. Does that make sense? Hope that makes sense. All right, let me get dressed, and then let's think about how this all comes together. So lovely viewers, second Fashom box. Not as out of the park as my first one, but still really good, and still really, really good about it. None of the pieces was, the jeans were $65, but everything else was considerably below that, with the next most expensive being $48. So super competitive in price with Stitch Fix. Probably a little better priced than some Stitch Fix stuff I've gotten in the past. But the quality far excels what I had been getting from Nadine West, which is just to say they're very different services, and yeah, very different services and very different options out there, which is really exciting for me. I have to do some math and figure out what I'm gonna do. I can check to see if the blue pants that I really wanted to make work come in a larger size. I kind of have a feeling that I've like topped out as to like the size that they offer, but I'm gonna double check. I think I double checked with something like that before, maybe not for Fashom though. I think the black pants, I mentioned this before, I'm an educator but also musician. Black pants are wardrobe staple, so there's no way I'm going to turn down a pair of well-priced, comfortable black pants like that. So that's definitely going to happen. But I really need to think about the jeans, because it's not usually my style, and I have little kids and they distress my jeans enough, so I'm wondering if they'll just destroy them. And about the purple top, the jersey raglan top. You guys, it's dry clean only or hand wash, and I don't do that. But it's a way for me to be like more interesting with my wardrobe, rather than just wearing solid color all the time, right? It's only $35. And then if I buy 2 pieces, if I get a third, then I get a 25% discount on everything. So there's like some serious things to consider here. But I'm sure that this will not be my last Fashom box. I really enjoy the service, and I really enjoy being able to be sneaky and see what's getting sent to you, and have some voice in that as well. And that the communication is so fantastic that my stylist reached out when they didn't have specifically what I was looking for, and offered something different, and was just checking in and making sure that was okay. Nothing makes me happier than having communication like that. So, gold star Fashom, you make me super happy. Now I have to make some decisions and check my bank account. Thank you for joining me. As always, all the information about Fashom is going to be in the description below, as well as that referral link, so that you can get $10 to spend towards your first box. And remember, the $15 styling fee is waived on your first box anyway, so that's just extra money for you to spend buying something gorgeous for yourself. Until next time, be well.